to be worthy in following the path taken by our foes in their fearless fight for a land whose sun and stars forever shine for justice, whose loving embrace is everyone's paradise. We strive to become a people who love our motherland in our every breath and with every drop of our blood, sweat, and tears.
Applause for the beautiful performance of the actors featured this part. So we have here with us Dr. Moray Peter Beasley, and he especially wanted to meet the children. Gusto niya makitaan kay nalipay kaayo siya sa inyong pagkanta sa Lupang Hilirang. Bakit kang balhibo o nanghilang sila sa inyong kanta? So congratulations sa kanindot sa inyong kanta sa Lupang Hilirang. So we are still, they also practice, they perform also Pasko sa Kagawasan. It's the Christmas of Freedom. We have seen them a while ago, but we are still going to produce, to finalize the video that we will publish. And so they sing along to Batang Kulon even if they don't, we're not the original performers. So what do you want to say to the children to encourage them to continue practicing and training their voices?
Can you translate for me?
Yes, I will translate.
So, children, the most beautiful singing I've heard. You guys have so much talent, and your futures are very, very bright.
I will translate. So, mga bata, ang inyong kanta, maoy pinakanindot na kanta nga akong nadunggan. So, naamoy hayag nga future, nag-ugma sa inyo kaugmaon nga moabot ninyo. Kay maay kay mo manganta.
So, aim for the stars. Nothing can stop you. The future is in your hands. And in the future you will have a wonderful life because you have this talent, this rich talent that has inspired my wife and I and thrilled us. And I'm so happy to be here.
Ingon siya nga, ang inyong mga damgo dili walay limit kay inyo yung kabuton ang mga bituon ng stars. Yung rich kabuton ang mga bituon kay maningkamot lang yun. Daghay ito yung gisulti sa payuban. And then you should aim high. Kanang naay maayong nga ugma basta maningkamot ra ta.
And the most important thing, you can now eat.
Importante nga butang kay mangaon na ta. Mangaon na mo. So daghang salamat. So we are so happy. And a round of applause and say thank you to Dr. Beasley and Annalyn. Moingon ta, daghang salamat Dr. Beasley ug Annalyn. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go.
Daghang salamat Dr. Beasley.
Yay!
Pasikia. Nalagusil.
Hello, magpasipusel.
Very good. Okay, basta.
Hello, ako si Dia. Hello, si Du.
Amen.
Hello, ako si Audrey. Hello, ako si Seti.
Hi, ako si Rex.
Hi, ako si Dayang Guapo.
Hey, ikaw lang ga. Hi, ako si Semungay.
Ano na yung tulan?
Ha?
Ari
Hindi na. Sige na. Ikaw, kailan?
Hello, ako si Yumi.
Hello, ako si Juliana. Hello, it's Kimwell.
Kimwell? Oh.